Great news, the time has finally come for anybody that has the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Cut long story short, all of those that got this drone early and unfortunately have been unable to activate it until the 17th. Well, DJI have just launched their version of their Fly app 1.6.1, and basically this drone is ready to go. You can see I have flashing lights, I have a controller that works, and that is synced and activated perfectly fine. So I just wanted to put out this short video to say that if you are still waiting to activate this drone, you can go ahead and do it now, and it's going to be working, and you can get up and get this bird up in the air. Now, as much as I cannot wait to go and get this up in the air, I do have something to do first. So basically, I do review DJI Fly app updates on my channel. So what I want to do is go out and do a test of the Fly app for all of my supporters over the years that do rely on my DJI Fly app update reviews to make sure that it is all safe to go ahead and fly. Okay, so that video will be coming soon for all of those that have a DJI Mavic Mini, Mini 2, Air 2 or Air 2S, because obviously a lot of them are the same. But yeah, that video is coming very, very shortly. But I'm going to go out, do that flight, and then I'm going to bring this guy out and go for a proper flight. And let's see if I can get my first video out today. And hopefully it may well be a video comparison at least, or at least a photo comparison, or basically something, so we can compare the video footage and photo quality against the DJI Mini 2, the Air 2S, and the Autel Evo Nano. So do look out for that. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for all the content I'm going to make on this drone, and until next time, see you again soon.